Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I need to have sunlight for a while before I go to the grocery. I'm going to the grocery. I need to buy what I need to cook today. See? The sun is on top of my head. Hi, welcome to my vlog. See, the sun is in